So, question 14, a quick 5 marks with some differential equations around and about. So, we've got a particle travelling in a straight line with a velocity related to its displacement by this equation. V is negative 0.2x. We're asked to determine the acceleration in terms of its displacement. The formula sheet helps us out here. These three expressions are all for the acceleration. This looks like a very suitable candidate, v dv dx. So we just write down that the acceleration is v dv dx. V is negative 0.2t or x on 5, if you prefer fractions. Then if we differentiate this with respect to x, we just get negative a fifth, which is this fella. Multiplying together, the negatives disappear and we've got x on 25. First 2 marks. Then, does the particle's motion constitute simple harmonic? Well, we don't think so, because here it is. For simple harmonic motion, we're looking that the acceleration is going to be equal to minus k squared x, and we need a negative sign in there. But in our case, we have got a is positive k squared x, so obviously we could say no. And that it's only 1 mark. We don't want to go overboard in justifying it. So, part C, it is known that the initial displacement of the particle is 4, determined correct to the nearest 0.01 when the particle has a displacement of 2. So, we take the initial equation that V is equal to negative 0.2x, but replace V with dx dt, and we see we've got another differential equation here. Now on the formula sheet, if we see this, it tells us we can use that. So that's what we can do. From this, our first mark will be to simply write down that x is equal to 4e to the negative 0.2t. And then for the last mark, we need to solve this for x is equal to 2. So 2 must equal 4e to the negative 0.2t. We've got a calculator, not too hard by hand as well. We basically just sort of divide both sides by 4, take logs, and we're left with negative 0.2t is equal to log of a half. And so then t must be log of a half over negative 0.2. We can bring the negative sign inside here to make that, instead of being a half, make it 2. And 0.2, is 1/5, so that becomes 5 log 2. On a calculator, that's about 3.47 seconds. Obviously, with a calculator, you wouldn't muck around. You just get straight into it. Type in, what do we want here? That 2 is equal to 4. We need the keyboard, e to the negative 0.2x. Hit go, hit solve, and there it is, 5 log 2. And then we could just kind of action transform approx to turn that into a decimal. 3.47 to the nearest 0.2. So again, I'm pretty sure if you left it as 5 log 2, you're going to get full marks.